Hi everyone, my name is Vendik and you are welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss top-down analysis. As the channel is, we tend to simplify every topic in the industry, okay? I know top-down analysis has been explained in maybe 30 minutes, all right? 1 hour, okay? But the main information inside that is around 7 or 8 minutes, okay? So I'll try as much as possible to get you the real tips and then get you right on it. Okay. Enough of all the introduction. Let's get to the charts. Okay, we can take it from anywhere. All right. Okay. We can take it from anywhere. Okay, let's say we are looking at DXY. Okay, we are looking at DXY. Okay, this is a US dollars index. All right. Okay, let me use it because I don't normally trade it, but it happens in every time frame. Okay, so if we're to mark up your charts, okay, you have a point here which come from either a fair value gap or something. All right, then we have another one. Okay, this is our recent low and our recent high. Okay, so we'll be working with this. Clearly, you can see that we are on a uptrend. Okay, no doubt. Okay, no doubt on this. We are on an uptrend. Okay, so maybe the target of the market is to clear this other support. Okay, it's heading towards this support. So if you can remember from our previous um, episode, we talk about market moving from a support to another support. Okay, market always seek liquidity in the market, so we are moving towards this particular liquidity here, and this liquidity was formed, I think this will be 2010, right? Yeah, this was around 2010. No, around 2001. All right, so that's the high that we are looking at. Okay, the all-time high that we have is this 119.996. Okay, so we have another high here, we have another high here, okay, which we are looking at. So all these things doesn't, all those high just mark up, okay, that we still have a upper side, all right, for us to get. So we have another liquidity sitting here at 114.500. Okay, so now this on a monthly time frame, so each of these candle represents 1 month, right? You get it? Each of these candle represents 1 month, so that's another thing you need to put into consideration. So for the whole of this month, okay, we are bullish. Last month we were bearish, okay, like three months ago we were bearish, but this particular month we have an impulsive move upward because of this particular liquidity that was sitting here. Okay, so this is what we have for the month. So if actually this was the only time frame you would trade, so automatically you'll be looking at buying from this zone, just to buy from this zone. Okay, if this was the only this thing you have, you just to buy from this zone and then you target the next liquidity. All right, so but that's not it, because for this 1200,000 pips, okay, to be done, it's gonna take a whole lot of months. So we are all day traders. We don't want to stay in the market for 12 13 months, like 2 years. So we this just give us a bias, okay, where the market is heading to. All right, so with that, now we will just step down. Let's say weekly. Let's go down again weekly. All right, weekly really define the same story that we had in monthly is the same thing we have in weekly, just that we have more candles. All right, there is no much changes, but as you are stepping down, you will now started seeing a whole lot of changes in the market, but this will give you a bigger range. Okay, so remember, this was our monthly support, okay, and this was our monthly resistance. So with this we are good. All right, so this is our weekly, it still becomes our weekly support and our weekly resistance. Okay, so if we come back to daily, okay, if we come back to daily, the candles are much more, okay, on daily time frame. Okay, but now there are a whole lot of definition that has been happening. Okay, a whole lot of things have changed. Okay, so this tends to give us another, we have another support somewhere here. Okay, we have a very nice support here. Okay, so now we are looking at buying from this particular zone to this zone. This around 6,000 pips, so it's much more. So this is on a daily time frame. Okay, so we are still bullish. Okay, so peradventure you were here, I think October 2023, and with this time frame you now see that okay, we are bullish and the market was now printing down. You will know that definitely the printing down will end somewhere around this place, that overall from a monthly time frame that we are bullish. We have a liquidity to catch up, which is the previous one we had here. So we have this place that the market is trying to catch up with. So but as of today that I'm recording this video, okay, we have a little resistance that is stopping this particular one from moving. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4 past week, last week was a very great week that we have a straight 5 days that was bullish. Okay, so this black candle was on Sunday. Okay, particular black candle was on Sunday and the starting of Monday. All right, so this is today, right? This is today. So what are we looking at this market? So I think we have created another sort of consolidation here. Okay, we have created another sort of consolidation here. If we break above here, we know that we are targeting the next support zone. All right, so and if we break below, that means we are coming back to retest this particular zone. Okay, so these are the little things we put into consideration. All right, so if you go to 4 hours, okay, it will now define itself more. All right, so this is actually how you look at top-down analysis, so that you won't just come into the market and see 15 minutes without knowing the overall, okay, direction of the market. If you know the overall direction of the market, it's really going to help you to know that okay, this is where the market is going. All right, and that will help you to predict the direction of the market, which will always be in your favor. So if you know the direction of your market, if you're in a drawdown, it tends to give you more confidence that there is higher probability that the market is going to reverse at a certain point that you've already planned for it to reverse from. Okay, so that is just all about it. So you, from here now, you can come down to your 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you know how you would normally execute your trade. So at this point, with this box I draw here, so is either I'll be looking at a break above here, maybe probably a retest, and then we go up, or I look for a break downward. Okay, look for a break downward and a retest, and then we move like this. So this is what we are looking at in this DXY. All right, so this will really help you to know the overall of the market. But you know, if you break downwards, you know, you where you are going, where you are looking at is not far. Okay, and it's against the trend of the market. But for 15 minutes, it's not against the trend because we are coming from a support. So there is high probability that it might break downward. But the upward, if it breaks upward, it gives you more confidence because you know that that is the overall trend of the market. So you can go in maybe with a little bit a bigger lot size, and then you stay confident, and then the market will play out. It's as simple as that. Okay, so there is nothing like everything fair value gap, those are just entry models. All right, so the purpose of doing a top-down analysis on your chart is for it to help you to have an overall direction of where the market is going. Okay, so we intend not to complicate the charts. Okay, we'll try as much as possible to make it simple. All right, so if you make the chart to be simple, it's really gonna help you to see more other things that is happening. So you don't need to jam pack a whole lot of information, change of characters, change of structure, all those plenty stuff. It's not actually needed. So when we say top down analysis, it's just top down analysis. Top down analysis is looking at the market from a bigger range. Okay, looking at the market from a bigger range so that it will help you to predict the overall direction of the market. All right, so it just this example I show you, looking at the market at monthly or weekly or daily, so that's what's going to give you, okay, this is where this market is intending to go. So with that, you can now draw your map on your 30 minutes or your 1 hour. Then you check out your entry models on your 15 minutes, and that is it. Okay. So I believe this explains what is top-down analysis. Okay. So if there is any other thing, maybe we'll update it later. But for now, as someone that is just starting trading, when you hear top-down analysis, this is exactly what it is. Okay. Looking at the market from a bigger perspective. Okay. So which will actually help you to know the overall direction of the market. So if you watch up to this period, it simply means you like the video. Okay, so don't forget to do the YouTube business. Okay, just share it to other people so that they will get to know the community. This is where we share the reality of the market. Okay, and display it the way it is. Okay, so stay strong and trade sharp. Peace out.